Hey guys! So I just wanted to show you what I got from Knitcrate this month. So for those of you that don't know, Knitcrate is a monthly yarn subscription service, and they have several different options that you can choose from. So you can get their Knitcrate. So with this one, you get 2 skeins of a surprise colorway, and they're 2 kind of premium skeins of yarn, and then you also get 2 patterns. You get 1 knitting pattern and 1 crochet pattern. So every month has a different theme, and this month's theme is ice cream. So it says fresh neons and icy brights, and I think this is a very fitting colorway. So you don't get to choose the color that you get. So there's several different options with Knitcrate. They send you one of those options and you don't get a choice, but it's a surprise. So it's this gorgeous, gorgeous, like bright teal, but not too bright. This is still something that I would use. So this yarn is exclusively dyed for Knitcrate, so you can't get it anywhere else. And the colorway is called Chewies. There's 437 yards in this skein. So it's a merino cashmere nylon blend. So it's 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. So you also get 2 patterns. So this is this month's crochet pattern. It's this really beautiful crochet top. And then the knitting pattern is this gorgeous knitted shawl. So the drape on this shawl looks absolutely amazing. And judging by how soft and cozy this yarn is, I can totally tell that it's going to have an amazing drape. What you do is you go online and you input the codes to download your patterns, so you can get both. And you can use the patterns on anything. You don't have to use those patterns with this yarn. You can use whatever pattern you want with this yarn, and you can use those patterns with different yarn. So you can kind of just mix and match and do what you want with it. So if you like the idea of having a mystery box of yarn in your mailbox every month, then you can use my code BLUEMOUSE20 to get 20% off a multiple month subscription. Only if you want to. If it's not for you, it's not for you. I don't want to make you buy it or anything. But if this is something that you think sounds interesting to you, then there's a 20% off coupon for you. So like I said, they have different subscription boxes. So they have the Knitcrate, which I just showed you, and then they also have a few more. One of them being their sock crate. So this one has the same theme. It's the ice cream theme. So it's bright neon colors, just kind of fun, summery brights. And it comes with a knitting pattern. So you get a sock knitting pattern. And this is the one that you get with this month's. And this is also the yarn that you get. The colorway is called Mirrors, and it's just kind of this cool tie-dye effect. So you get a download code to go download this pattern. And I could not wait to get started on this project. I already kicked it up, and I've already started my sock. So I decided not to use the pattern that came with it, but I'm going to download this and save it for a different yarn. So like I said, you don't have to use the pattern that it comes with. You can save it for a different yarn. So I went with something a little bit more vanilla because I wanted the colors to really show up. And I didn't want to distract with too much texture going on. So I just went really vanilla. So here is the colors. They're very tie-dye-y. I love the look of them. And then also on the front of the sock are little cables. So I think the cables look really cool with this yarn. And then the vanilla side again. So with this box you get 1 skein of yarn and a knitting pattern. So I think this is probably my favorite box. It's the one that I've used the most of. I love the Knitcrate one as well, but the sock crate one, there's just something about knitting socks. I've become really, really obsessed with them. So getting a fun skein of sock yarn in the mail every month is just kind of a fun motivator. I don't know, it's just getting me really into sock knitting, and I'm loving that. So these are going to be a Christmas gift for a friend of mine. I'm trying this summer to start on my Christmas knitting early because every year December rolls around and I'm really behind. So this year I'm determined to get a lot of my knitting finished. So this is going to be for a friend of mine, and she is absolutely going to love them. She loves really kind of funky socks. So this tie-dye look, I think she'll love it. That's all that I got from Knitcrate this month, and every month is different. So if you see a colorway that someone posts about that you really like, or that you want the surprise of one of those colors that they offer, then you gotta jump on it that month, because once the next month rolls around, they quit doing that. So like this month is the ice cream theme, so these colorways are what they're offering for Knitcrate and Sockcrate. And you can go on their website, which I'll link below, and look at this month's colorways. But you have to order it within that month because the next month they switch. So if you've been wanting to try it, I have a 20% off coupon, but there's no pressure. I totally get that this is not everybody's thing, but the coupon is there if you want to try it. It'll give you a little bit of savings. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great week, and I don't know, let me know what your favorite summery bright colorway is. Link your favorite pop color like indie dyer. I would love to see the colors that you're into at the moment, and maybe even the projects that you're working on with it. So go ahead and put those in the comments. Thanks for watching.